Hey, welcome back to my channel. You know how I go. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, and if you are new here, very nice to meet you, girl. My name is Shaion. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe below if you like what you see here on this channel. So today, you guys, we're gonna be doing a fun V-Day inspired makeup look. So hope you guys enjoy this. Happy V-Day to everybody out there. This video will be out before Valentine's. Get to subscribe if you like this makeup look.
Okay, y'all, so we just finna jump right in. Y'all already know I never really do my brows on camera, but I'm about to show y'all how we slay these brows. Would they say pause? Let them hoes get into it. Okay, y'all, so I got both of these pencils from the beauty supply store. And now that I'm looking at it, like, they're really still too dark for the look I have going on. But I try to stay away from pomade just for that reason. I already have, like, really full brows. So now I'm going in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige on the bottom of my brows. And then I'm going to take the color Fawn that's a little closer to my skin tone and put it on the top of my brows just to shape them. Like I said, I have really full brows, y'all, so they just do their own thing periodically. So we'll see. All right, y'all. So now we're going to get into these eyes. I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. So first, I'm just going to go in and prime my eyes with a mix of the LA Pro Girl concealers. And then I'm just going to blend all of that out and make sure you can't see any of the concealer. I'm going to spray my face with this Badescu setting spray. Okay, so now we're on to the eyes. We're going to go into this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that I've been having for forever. But we're going to use this Raw Sienna as my transition color. Is just a color closest to my skin. And I'm going to take a blending brush and just use windshield wiper motions to blend that transition color all into my crease, or all over my lid actually. And now we're going to take these two shades of pink as my crease color. It's called Love Letter, and then the other one is called Vintage Red. So now we're just going to put that all into my crease, basically mixing both of the colors. We want it to be real pigmented. We want it to show up there. So when blending, you want to use more of a patting motion. Me, I get to going and just doing everything fast and crazy. So I use more of a tapping motion, which works well too. But if you want it to be way more pigmented, you have to pat a fair amount of the eyeshadow. Oh, I just dragged that word out. But anyways, now I'm going to go in with this blending brush and just blend out the creases so they won't look so harsh, and the pink won't show up as much around my eyebrows and just, you know, real wild. We're going to take this angled brush and just go right over my eye with some glitter, just to make it a little more pigmented and have it show up better. It's all about packing that color. Okay, girls, so one more time for that fluffy brush, I'm just going in and making sure there's no harsh sides and everything looks blended and smooth. So now I'm going to take this LA Pro Girl concealer right in my teardrop part of the eye, and we're just going to add a pop of pink to give it that V-Day flair. And, you know, just something different from an everyday look. We just want to make sure it's all there, okay? It's all there. We want to make sure it's all there. So I'm going to go in with that color in the color Fresco in the same palette. And it's already giving vibes, okay, honey? It's giving vibes. So now I'm going to go in with the two pinks that I use as my transition / base color, and we're just going to make sure those two colors blended together. So as you can see here, I'm just going in with my fluffy brush, making sure there's no harsh lines, you know, everything smooth, everything nice, period. Okay, so now for my favorite part, the lashes, period. I've already put on some mascara. I got these lashes from the beauty supply store, y'all. They still coming in clutch. Yes, I still use beauty supply store lashes. Don't get it twisted. Okay, guys, so I have my Wet Beauty Blender, my Baby Skin primer by Maybelline, and then I also have my foundation here, which is NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the color Medium Dark 3. Okay, so next I'm going to take some more of the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn, which is closest to my skin tone. I use it just to cover my dark circles, like right after I do my foundation. I'll blend out some of the fawn that's closest to my skin tone right before I used my highlight color. So this is just good if you have like any dark circles or bags or anything like that. Okay, now the fun parts. So I'm using Creamy Beige by LA Pro Girl Concealer as my highlight. And then I'm using this NYX palette Conceal Correct contour in the color Deep for my contour shade. And now I'm just blending out that lighter color in Creamy Beige. And I am also blending out my contour color at the same time. So everything kind of just melts together. That's really what you want. That's really the key. So let's move on to this setting powder. Both of my setting powders are pretty inexpensive. The first one is from the beauty supply store. It's by Kiss, which is in a really like deep red type of shade. And then I also use the Air Spun loose face powder from Walmart. And I mix those two together. Okay, so while I'm baking my face with the two powders, I'm just going to go in and contour with this Morphe palette. If you haven't seen my last video, I just bought this blush and contour palette, and I think it's really good. It's by Morphe. As you can see here, I was using a little too much of it, but we're just going to go in with this MAC pressed powder and clean up the edges just so everything looks smooth. We're gonna blend it out. I'm all into blending, y'all. I'm all about blending, I should say. So I'm just gonna go back into that palette and slightly put blush on my cheeks. Okay, so I'm using this white eyeliner I got from Morphe, y'all, on my bottom lids. Now we're gonna go into the Moonchild highlight palette by Anastasia. And we're going to use the color Pink Heart, which I always use. I think it is so adorable. Like, I love it. I love this palette, y'all. It's perfect for Valentine's Day, honestly. Like, it's just like little fairy dust, but highlights. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just blending that highlight in, making sure I'm getting the high points of my face, my cheek, eyebrows, all that. Okay, last but not least, we're going in on the lip. First, I'm using this beauty supply store lip liner. It's going to put that all over my lips. And then I'm going to go in with my, y'all, I'm a clown, okay? I'm going to go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Madeline. If you know, you know. If you didn't know, y'all go find that Madeline. That's probably why it's always sold out, because y'all know for real and y'all be buying it. And that's why I can't never find it. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, wait, I got one more step, y'all. So we're going to put this lighter shade on top of my lips. I'm not even going to lie to y'all. I didn't like the way the lips came out. So I'm going to insert a picture right here of what I changed the lips to take my pictures, because I wasn't feeling this lip. It was giving old lady, y'all. Like, it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. Okay, what Rolling Ray say? It wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had fun doing it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.